Hello. We at FYI Consulting have evaluated the needs and wants of ABC Corporation and have prepared an implementation plan we believe will best suit the business. The consultants of Super Team 3 are Sharia Averett, Austin Cochran, Aaron Khoury, Safar Saeed Shoaib, Michaela Mooney, Marinda Morley, Lauren Shurik, Bailey Frecker, Jill Morrison, Brian Friend, and Carrie Hatcher. ABC Corporation is looking to implement a network and server infrastructure in their current buildings. This would include the need for constant monitoring of the buildings, both inside and outside, as well as the ability to check entrances and exits 24/7. Due to ABC Corporation's unique needs, remote access to unlock doors is needed as well. In addition, there is a strong need for a campus-wide wireless service. Devices on the servers will be storing and handling records, which will need to be compliant with federal laws and regulations. These regulations include HIPAA, SOX, PCI DSS, and COPPA. Lastly, a variety of other services will be needed as well, such as email, internet access, common printing, and a building access control system with security cameras. ABC Corporation already has some implementations of different types of technologies, which include the following. Employees each have a Windows computer and a phone at their desk, which will require wired access. 10-strand multi-mode fiber is existent between buildings, which is all home run to the JSC. Cottages 1 through 8 have fiber ran to cottage 9, and then ran to the MDF of the JSC. The current servers consist of payroll, accounting, and inventory. Our proposal will consist of 4 main components: a list of networking equipment needed along with their prices, diagrams of both the physical and logical topologies, and an IP addressing scheme. For the second iteration, we have provided an overview for the equipment required to fulfill the needs of ABC Corporation. We have produced a chart that details the specific departments where the equipment will be assigned. The equipment that has been chosen is up to date, has the capability to accommodate the needs of the users within ABC Corporation, support port requirements, and support the load that ABC will put on them. We have priced 3 different models of Layer 3 switches, 1 wireless access point model, storage racks, and the necessary amount of cable and RJ45 connectors that will be needed. The price to wire the infrastructure will cost $75 an hour, $3,000 a week, and a total of $72,000 for 24 weeks. Regarding the equipment pricing, some of the vendors are currently offering discounts, and the applicable equipment discounts are detailed. The total price with cable installation before discounts is $231,600. And after would be $182,517.96. The physical diagram shows the overall topology of the campus. The diagram shows the fiber that runs between each building. A major network address of 10.0.0.0/22 was used as the starting point for the IP addressing scheme. The number of IP addresses needed is 590. Therefore, a /22 subnet mask meets this requirement by providing a total number of 740 IP addresses. As seen in the IP addressing scheme table, each department has been assigned a network which will provide the required amount of IP addresses. 2 additional networks have also been added to accommodate ABC Corporation's security cameras and locks. Any addresses that are not used during this implementation can be used for future growth. The following diagram shows the logical topology of our proposed network. As shown in the topology, the network addresses are displayed for each department, as well as the broadcast addresses. Though only one line is shown, there will also be backup lines going to each building. There is also a backup Layer 3 switch, which we chose to use instead of a router to act as our gateway. For overall network security, we recommend separate VLANs, port restrictions, and access control lists be configured. We also propose that a firewall should be utilized to filter network traffic. Lastly, we recommend using Wi-Fi protected access to secure the wireless networks. In conclusion, ABC Corporation has reached a point in which it is time to make a change. Here at FYI Consulting, we have devised a plan that will cover the corporation's wants and needs. This plan will cost $182,517.96, with discounts to implement. The plan includes a physical and logical topology, estimated pricing, total devices required, and a networking plan that can grow with the corporation as needed. Here at FYI Consulting, we thank you for your time and for listening to our implementation plan for ABC Corporation. We hope you are satisfied with your proposal.